siyang letter sa kwarto ko. Sabi niya, ako na lang daw yung magbalita sa'yo because she doesn't want to talk to you.
Portia, that sounds so impossible, okay? Because Maxine is practically obsessed with Seb. She would not do that.
I couldn't believe it either, Mom.
Madaling madala sa emosyon yan si Maxine. Kaya hindi ako magtataka kung anong pwede niyang gawin.
To let you know that her decision is final.